Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Yeah, today we continue with the preparation for our field. uh, Earlier on I showed you when I was doing these wires here. Now today I'm going to add the droppers, these small pieces of wood. Yeah, I'm going to add them so that we prevent animals getting into our field. Yeah, we have problems with cattle and goats. They normally goes here into our field, so this is the work for today. This is what I'm going to do, and I will show you later on when I'm done. Yeah, so we have to prepare the fields before the rains come. So once the rains they are here, we just go straight into plowing. So here these droppers here, as you can see, I cut some pieces of them so that they are smooth as you put them along the wire. Those ends at the end here, they have to be smooth. So I made sure that I cut with a saw so that they look nice. So as they say, guys, they say you should make hay while the sun shines. So this is what we are doing. We have to prepare our fields before the rains come.